In this video, we're going to talk about the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The slope is your m, and your y-intercept is your b. And I have it listed here. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. Now, y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. For example, 0, 2. Okay, it's also where the x value is always 0. So in this point 0, 2, our x value is 0 and our y value is 2. So we'd say b, the y-intercept is 2. And to look at that on a graph, you look at that on the graph, it'll look like this. Here's our quadrant plane, and then in the red here I have a line. This point here represents the y-intercept. This point down here, that's called the x-intercept. And when we use slope-intercept form, we don't use the x-intercept, we use the y-intercept. So let's go ahead and get started writing some of these linear equations in the slope-intercept form. It says write the linear equation in slope-intercept form. Slope always goes before the y-intercept. So in previous videos, I showed you how to solve for y. So that's basically all we're going to do here is just solve for y and then make sure our slope term goes first before our y-intercept. Okay, so we start off here by adding negative y. That's the keep change opposite rule. Now, we want to move the 4x away from our y, so we're going to add negative 4x to both sides. So we end up with negative y, as this cancels out, is equal to 6 plus negative 4x. Then our second step is to change y into positive, and we can do that by multiplying by 1 or dividing by negative 1. Either way, we'll do the same thing. So we have y equals 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6. Plus negative 4 divided by negative 1 is 4x. Our last step is to make sure we put our x term, the 4 is our slope, we're going to put that first. So it's going to be 4x plus negative 6, or if we want to write it as y equals 4x minus 6. Either way is correct. Okay? Now, the 4 is our m. Remember, m is in slope-intercept form, m is the slope. So our slope's value is 4, and b in our slope-intercept form represents the y-intercept. The y-intercept is negative 6. So the point where the line would cross the y-axis, the point that crosses the y-axis would be 0, negative 6. Okay? Let's do one more here. Let's change this one. Okay? We have 3x plus 2y equals 8. Now, we do the same thing. We want to get our y, we want to solve this so we get y equals. So we're going to add negative 3x to both sides. These terms cancel out, so we have 2y is equal to 8 plus negative 3x. And then last, we're going to divide by 2. We divide by 2. These cancel out. We get y equals 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus negative 3 divided by 2. Now, when we do this, we don't want to change it into a mixed number or a decimal. Okay? So we're going to keep it as the improper fraction of negative 3 over 2x. And then we're going to rewrite that so our slope goes first. So it's going to be negative 3 over 2x plus 4. Our slope then is negative 3 over 2. Our y-intercept is going to be 4. And the point of which the line crosses the y-axis is going to be 0, 4. Okay, I hope this helps you with slope-intercept form.